what's good guys, it's Zach. It's about that time again where we take a look at some of the best Android apps of the month, but before we do, just wanted to give a shout out to Anker for making this video possible. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know how much I love Anker products. Since it's the holiday season, they do have some really nice stuff cooked up for you guys, including this special Christmas edition box packed with some charging gear, and they also have one for audio tech as well. Go ahead and hit the very first link down below in the description and head over to their site where they've got some awesome deals going on. Anker also decided to sweeten things up even more, so all US customers get a guaranteed Christmas prize, either a free product or another discount. I always thought that their products were reasonably priced, but now you can get some of them at an even lower cost. These discounts will be open to the US, Canada, the UK, and Germany. So if you're a mobile power user, and especially if you're an Android fanboy, this is definitely the collection of tech you'd want to check out. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into our first application. First up, we've got Wally. You guys know me and my wallpaper apps, and this one has quickly become a favorite of mine. You're looking at thousands of wallpapers, all of which are in HD, and some of them are even in 4K. You've got 10 different categories to sift through, things like buildings, water, space, nature, and more. The app itself has a super clean, fast, and easy to use user interface, not to mention it has one of my favorite UIs in a wallpaper app period, and as a whole, this is one of the best wallpaper apps out there. You gotta give this one a try. Next up, we've got Status. This is a status bar replacement. Need I say more? This is a great tool to use if you'd like to get a little more out of your current bar of status. And what's great about this is that your device doesn't even need to be rooted. You can change pretty much anything from the bar color itself. You can choose which icons appear and which ones are hidden. You can change their size. You can adjust their placement as well as their style, which I think is a super cool feature. You can choose to hide certain application notifications, and you can choose their colors as well. This app really could be in its own video. It's free, it works well, and I think it's worth a shot. Third application on hand is Google's Photo Scan. This app is legit. With this, you can quickly scan photos into your phone. Gone are the days of having to take actual pictures of pictures with that ugly flash glare in the corner. We all know what that's like. With this app, you can scan photos from any direction. It's got perspective correction, so the angle doesn't really matter. In my testing, the app does a pretty darn good job, and I was impressed with the results. It may not get it perfect each and every time, but overall, this is a great time saver. I love the concept, and I highly recommend you try this out. Next up, we've got X Currency. This is probably the best currency converter I've come across. It's ad-free, so thumbs up for that. It's got a very clean material design, and you can even choose from 6 different colors to theme the UI. Using the app is very easy as well with swipe gestures. Swiping right on a currency will let you change the currency, and swiping left lets you adjust the exchange rates to your liking. Overall, this is a super handy tool to use, and I thought you guys could find this useful. Try it out. Halfway down the list, we have Jumpy Word. It's a very straightforward word-based game, and the objective here is to create as many words as you can using the letters provided. Try your best to prevent the board from filling up with letters or it's game over. And that's pretty much it. The game looks great, it works very well, and it's sure to test your vocabulary skills. Oh, and there's also a bomb that can wipe out the entire board, but you need to get to 500 points first. Good luck. Next app on hand is Recipe Book. It's pretty self-explanatory here, but it does more than just give you a random selection of recipes. This one's actually got some smarts to it. It's got loads of nicely organized categories. You can save recipes for offline use later, and you also have what they call shake and make. So what this is all about is you can add different ingredients of your choosing, give your device a shake, and it'll go ahead and show you all of the recipes with those specific ingredients included. You can favorite recipes to form your own cookbook. You can use the Snap and Cook feature, which lets you take pictures of your food, and the app will create recipes for you. And the UI itself is a breeze to use. It's very clean and very attractive. So if you're an aspiring chef, a beginner cook, or you just want to find something to make for dinner, this is the app to try out. Next up, we have Dino TRex. Okay, so you know when you're using Google Chrome on your computer, you lose your connection and then this pops up? This is actually an Easter egg. It's a mini game. All you got to do is tap the screen to jump, and that's it. Have fun. Nearing the end of the list, we have WriteIn Emoji. It's a pretty simple concept here. Just type what you want and out comes big bright blue text. You've probably come across this out there somewhere on social media, and now you can try it out yourself. Unfortunately, as far as customization goes, you're pretty limited. In fact, what you see here is pretty much what you get, but I know a lot of you out there will find this useful, so go ahead and check it out. Alright, so second to last, we have the Supreme Icon Pack. This here is a recent discovery for me, and I just love the bright punchy colors and the blacked out contrast. You can really tell that there was a lot of care and effort put into making these icons. Along with a whole bunch of icons, you get over 100 wallpapers with built-in Musée support. You also get a clock widget, and new icons are added weekly. This pack does cost $1.50, but for that, this is easily one you should check out. This pack has officially been added to my collection of go-to icon packs. Last app on the list is REO Keyboard. This has got to be the most interesting keyboard I've ever tried. The layout is weird, the key shapes are odd, you've got 2 different space buttons, and I cannot, for the life of me, get the hang of this keyboard. However, I will try my best because although the layout is weird and the key shapes are odd, in my opinion, this keyboard is pretty sick. Starting off with gestures. Swiping up on a letter capitalizes it, swiping left erases a letter, and holding that down quickly deletes more. And you've also got 7 different colored themes to choose from. This is really something you have to try out for yourself. It'll take some time to get used to for sure, but it's definitely something different, and I think it's worth a shot. So there you have it, that does it for this episode of Best Android Apps. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you check out the description. All of the applications will be listed down there. Also, don't forget to take advantage of Anker's awesome deals. But anyway, that does it for me. I'll talk to you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.